we go? Can we meet? There's a world out there that we should see. See my hand, close your eyes. With you right here on a rocket till let's fly, fly. Where we go, we don't need a road. Where we stop, nobody knows. See the stars if you really want it. Get that, put your name on it. Above the clouds in the atmosphere. Say the words to me, I ain't here. On my head, you're feeling scared. Flying up from out of here. Here we go. Come with me. There's a world out there that we should see. Take my hand, close your eyes. With you right here on a rocket till let's fly. Up, up, here we go, go. Up, up, here we go, go. Let's fly, fly. Up, up, here we go, go. Where we stand, nobody knows, knows. Fly,
Welcome back! Coaches, handa nang marinig ng Cindy ang masasabi nyo sa performance nila kanina. Stel.
Yung buong performance nyo, naririnig ko na meron siyang touch ng grupo nyo. Naririnig ko kung paano nyo binabale. Pero siguro nag-expect lang ako, nabitin lang ako ng konti kasi akala ko lilipad pa kayo ng kahit pa paano. I mean, iaangat pa. I mean, not really yung...
Rocketeer. Kasi nga lilipad ganon. Rocketeer.
Oo nga, no. Pasok, pwede.
Thank you, Coach Stel, Coach Julie.
Ako naman, para sa akin, para akong alam mo yung parang nakikinig lang sa sa jamming.
Pero natutuwa ako sa inyo, guys, kasi na-feel namin yung confidence ninyo. Doon naman talaga bumawi. Good job.
Congrats.
Thank you, Julie. Coach Billy.
Yes, Cindy, malinis naman actually yung pagka-jive ng grupo nyo. Sa tingin ko lang, there wasn't much distinction between the original song and yung version nyo. Kumbaga, hindi ako nakakita ng sino ba si Cindy dito sa competition na ito. Yun yung sa akin. Nakulangan lang ako ng personalities nyo. Sa tingin ko, pwede pang iangat yung level nyo, pero bahala na si Coach Chito doon.
At syempre, gusto natin makarinig kay Coach Chito.
Okay. Una-una gusto ko maniwaan kung bakit ako umikot sa inyo. It's because nung narinig ko kayo, it reminded me so much of our band, Parokya, na parang just a bunch of guys enjoying, so raw, unpolished, alam mo yon. And honestly, nahirapan tayo ng practice. Pero sa totoo lang, with your performance now, medyo nabitin yung mga ibang coaches. Pero for me, hindi man siya best in the competition, it was the best performance. Nakita ko talaga yung improvement nyo from how we started and then yung ginawa nyo ngayon. And that's, sobrang laking bagay yan. I hope it's enough to bring you to the next round. So I'm still very proud of you. So good job, guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.